Only if we understand.
Only if we understand.
Only if we understand can we care.
We must understand that every year, millions of garments are produced before a customer even places an order. The resources used to make those products, fabric, water, energy, packaging, and transportation, are consumed whether the clothing gets sold or not. Environmental damage doesn't start when a shirt is thrown away. It starts the moment unnecessary production begins. And only if we care will we look at the true cost. Brands produce large quantities up front, stores fill their shelves, and warehouses fill their racks. But when those predictions are wrong, unsold inventory becomes a growing problem. The result is wasted resources, wasted storage, and products that often never fulfill their original purpose. Every unsold garment represents materials, energy, labor, and transportation that could have been avoided. Only when we face the scale of this overproduction can we choose to change. In Cambodia alone, a fashion industry representing 88% of industrial manufacturing was estimated to contribute 60% of water pollution and 34% of chemical pollution. When clothing is overproduced at scale, the environmental cost is enormous. Only if we choose to act shall we find the solution. This is where E1 becomes part of that solution. Rather than encouraging brands to produce large volumes of inventory in advance, E1 enables on-demand manufacturing, where products are created only when they are purchased. This allows businesses to launch products without bulk ordering, reduces the likelihood of excess inventory, and helps prevent the waste of fabric, water, energy, and other resources that often result from overproduction. Only if we help, we can protect the future. This Environment Day, sustainability isn't just about driving less. It's also about producing smarter,